I had some of this spray paint left over, so this is what I'm going to be using. It's going to be a little bit difficult because it's super windy today, but I'm just going to try to get this over with. So I got some of these cocoa liners from Joann's, and they were on sale for, I think, $2.99. So I'm going to take some of my potting soil and I'm going to start filling my baskets. Okay, so I also put some of this in my potting soil, and I'm ready to start putting my strawberries. I got these from Home Depot, and I'm going to plant one of these marigolds in the middle. So I decided to put 3 of these strawberries in each basket, so that way they could have room to grow, and also so the marigold could have room to grow in the middle. So I'm almost done potting all of the strawberries, all of the baskets. Now I'm just going to finish up adding some more potting soil. So I'm going to show you guys the big reveal of my strawberry hanging baskets. It's been about a month and a half, maybe a little bit longer since I planted them. And this is a project for another day. So this is the big reveal. And all of my strawberries died. I don't know why they died, so I recently planted these in here because I only had the marigolds, and I put these in about maybe like 3 or 4 days ago. I don't know what they're called, but I had gotten them at Lowe's. And I also put in some of these strings of bananas because they were empty. So they all died. This is the only one that survived. And I've actually gotten multiple strawberries from this one. And it said that they needed full sun, so I put them in the full sun. I put good soil. I water regularly. And I do not know why they died. So I'm probably going to take out these flowers and rearrange them, or create like a prettier arrangement, because it doesn't look too nice like this. And I planted, when I saw that they were dying, I actually moved some, you know, to try to save them, to this planter box, and only one is here, and it doesn't look like it's doing too good, so I don't know if that's going to survive. Yeah, so I moved about 4 of them before they died, but they already look like that one, and they all ended up just completely dying. So I do not know why that happened. The ones that I have here in the barrel, they're actually doing good. So that was my sad reveal. I thought I was going to have tons of strawberries, but sadly they did not do well.